Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on duplicating projects in iMovie for iOS. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I'll show you how to duplicate an existing iMovie project on iOS. From the project selection screen of iMovie, select the project you want to duplicate. Now tap the Share button at the bottom. On the Share screen, select Options. Change the file type at the top from Video to Project, and then tap Done. Now tap Save to Files. Choose any place on your iPhone or iCloud storage to save the project file, and then tap Save. Now go back to the main project screen of iMovie again. Tap the three dots button at the top right of the screen, and then select Import Project. Select the project file you saved a minute ago. That project will now appear again as a duplicate on your project screen, and you can edit them separately from each other. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iMovie tips and tricks.